In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a homepage in Power BI. A homepage is the front door of your report, the place where viewers land first, get oriented, and decide where to go next. It can hold your title, a short description, and any visuals or elements you want to highlight, all in one clean, welcoming layout. Start by looking at the pages area along the bottom of the Power BI desktop window. This is where all your report tabs live. To create a new space for your homepage, click the plus icon. That instantly adds a blank page to your report. If you don't see it right away, make sure your window is maximized or scroll along the bottom. Sometimes the tab bar can be slightly compressed depending on your screen size. Next, right-click the New Page tab and choose Rename. Give it a clear, friendly name like Homepage or whatever works for your audience. Consistent naming matters because it helps viewers navigate your report without thinking too hard. If you prefer, you can also double-click the tab name to type directly. Both methods achieve the same result. Now, this blank page is your canvas. Think of it as the stage for your most important first impression. Before you add anything, take a moment to consider the experience you want people to have. What should they understand within the first few seconds? What key sections or themes will they explore from here? A thoughtful layout can make your report feel polished and effortless to use. As you begin planning, keep readability and visual balance in mind. Leave breathing room around headings, place important items near the top or center, and keep a consistent alignment so the page looks intentional. If you're using a brand theme, keep colors, fonts, and backgrounds consistent with the rest of your report to build trust and recognition. High contrast text for titles and subtle background shapes can help organize content without overwhelming the viewer. When you think about what belongs on a homepage, imagine a concise overview. A strong title, a short description of what the report covers, and clear cues that guide users to other sections are all helpful. You can showcase a couple of high-level visuals or KPIs to set context, then leave deeper analysis for the inner pages. And there you go. With a new page created, renamed, and treated as your dedicated canvas, you've laid the foundation for a clean, purposeful homepage in Power BI. That's all.